mwenzetu kwanza.
I asked the court to decline the request to admit them.
The defense has denied ever being supplied with the photos or videos the prosecution intends to rely on. The defense has a right to supply all documents the prosecution wishes to rely on, and for that reason, I order as follows: that the defense be provided with all the documents the prosecution wishes to rely on, and that the matter proceeds to hearing on.
1st of September is convenient. Will also be trained on applying that you reveal or you want the paid terms in addition to the accused person. The accused person has not been represented in this matter. The accused person has been in custody in the last 7 months because the cash bail that was slapped on his, he can't raise. So therefore, if the prosecution wants this type of processes to proceed, kindly reduce the cash bail of my client. We take a clear date.